Hey ya! Hi there! It's Angeline. How are ya? I'm back with another crafty video with Unity Stamp, and today I'm going to show you how to create this card using the brand new background builders strip sets by Unity Stamp. These are so much fun to play with. Oh my goodness. So first I'm grabbing a card base here and just securing it to my stamping platform. And I'm just grabbing my stamps here to align it first to make sure all the positioning is correct. And you don't have to do this, but if you want to make sure everything is awesome in the end, so you could always position first to see and line up. And here I'm just adjusting it so that it's pretty even before I stamp my first stamp. So if you're happy with it, just ink up your stamps. Here I'm using some Distress oxide inks today, and I'm going with some rainbow colors. Starting off with the squeeze laminate here, just inking up the side. And once you're done, just remove your stamp and place your next stamp right alongside the stamped one, and grabbing the next color and just repeating this process until the end. So you could always create any kinds of background that you want, and using this stamping platform, as you can see, I've missed a part. I could easily ink it back up and just ink up again. So what's fun about these background builder set is you could build your own backgrounds. So it's kind of like washi tape but customized, because you could always ink up different kinds of colors and designs that you want. You could layer them, you could do plate designs, horizontal, vertical, whatever that you like and fancy. And this set is so versatile. I think it is going to be so awesome to use over and over again. Next, I'm grabbing the May 2018 sentiment kit, which is called Say It Big, and these sentiments are huge. It is so beautiful and so easy to fill up a card. Here I'm just inking up with some Versamark embossing ink to then put some embossing powder onto my sentiment. Here I'm grabbing the Wow Ultra High embossing powder because I wanted to create some dimension to my sentiment. You could always use any embossing powders that you have. Once you're done, just heat it up with a heat tool to activate the embossing powders. So I thought my card kind of looked plain, so I'm grabbing some gold watercolors here by Gansai tambi and just putting some water into the pans. And then just grabbing an old gift card here and a brush to just brush some splatters onto my card to fill up the white background so that it doesn't look so stark white. So here is my finished card. I hope you enjoyed this quick tip technique, and thanks for watching. Bye!